Friends, welcome to Market Analyzers. Today Nifty rallied by 190 points and closed at 19,047, whereas Bank Nifty rallied by 500 points and closed at 42,782. Today Nifty recovered entire yesterday's losses and closed above 19,000 psychological mark. There was some recovery in US bond yields and crude oil, and US GDP growth came above market expectations. These are all positive updates developed from yesterday evening. Yet US markets corrected yesterday and downside. There is no proper point due to which our markets rallied today. Today JP Morgan has upgraded Indian stocks, but during earlier times when Morgan Stanley and Nomura upgraded Indian stocks on similar lines, the markets did not react very positively. 1% rally did not happen during that time. So this point is ruled out. Yesterday FIS sold shares worth 7,818 crores. In last 16 months, more than 1.5 years, FIS never sold in such quantity. To conclude, it must just be a profit booking to cool off some extreme short positions created in the system. I even told risk reward is not proper in yesterday's video with PCR around with 0.6. The levels are 18,860, below that 18,650, resistance at 19,250, above that 19,490. If we talk about option chain range, the range is 18,800 to 19,700. Nifty was threatening to break 18,800 yesterday, but today we are clearly in safe zone as Nifty is away from our downside range. Now let's move on to stocks news updates. First, let's talk about Phoenix Mills. Today they have updated to exchanges regarding the launch of a new mall in Bengaluru. The mall will be built on 12 lakh square feet. The mall will be built on 12 lakh square feet, which equals to 27 acres. The mall will be second mall developed by Phoenix Mills in Bengaluru. It is set to create 5,000 new jobs, and it is to become a luxury destination having global brands like Rolex, Emporia, Armani. So with this news update, the share price closed with 4% gains today. Now let's talk about JIO. During the inauguration of Indian Mobile Congress, JIO chairman Akash Ambani told that JIO has unleashed the fastest rollout of 5G technology in the entire world. They are deploying at least one 5G cell for every 10 seconds, he told. Overall, JIO has installed 10 lakh 5G cells across India. JIO has alone contributed to 85% of overall 5G capacity in India. In the same event, Airtel chairperson Sunil Mittal has told that Airtel will cover India with 5G by March 2024, and Vodafone Idea said they will begin investing in rolling out 5G network and promote their existing 4G networks. Now let's talk about JP Morgan updates on India and inclusion of 3 stocks into their emerging model portfolio. First update is they have upgraded India to overweight. There are several reasons for their upgradation of Indian markets to overweight. The first thing is general election. Second point is growth in Indian companies. Third point is very good GDP growth, and fourth point is due to extensive domestic bond market. These are the 4 factors they have considered and upgraded Indian stocks. They have also included 3 new stocks, Sun Pharma, Bank of Baroda and HUL, in their emerging markets model portfolio. Due to their addition of these stocks in their model portfolio, buying will be seen in those stocks by investors who invest in those indices. That's the reason why these 3 stocks were trading positively today. Now let's talk about Karnataka Bank. The bank's board has approved the allotment of 3.3 crore shares to 5 different institutional investors like HDFC Life Insurance, Bajaj Alliance and 3 others. The allotment happened at a price of 239 rupees to raise 800 crores for the bank. Even after today's 5% rally in share, it is still trading around 235 rupees. But the preferential issue to big institutions happened at 239 rupees. Big institutions buying above current market price created bullish sentiment on the stock. This money they are raising will be used to strengthen Karnataka Bank's financial position. Now let's talk about SUZLON Energy. They have won an order from Juniper Green Energy to install 3 megawatt power producing turbines. SUZLON in this order plans to install 16 wind turbine generators which will have a combined capacity of 3 megawatt. The project will be commissioned from 2025 and it is situated in Gujarat. Now let's move on to another update. After this correction from last few days, SMC Global Securities has given a list of some quality stocks to add from different sectors. In auto sector, they are considering Maruti and Sona BLW. Sona BLW manufactures components for automakers. In real estate sector, they have given 3 stocks names, DLF, Prestige and Shoba Developers, and other sectors and stocks names you can look on the screen. Now let's talk about Vodafone Idea results. The revenue came at 10,700 crores. It increased in quarter-on-quarter comparison and even in year-on-year comparison. But the net losses widened to 8,738 crores. They have maintained their operating profit margin at 40%, but the problem is, look at this column, interest payments. In this year, they are paying 24,292 crores. This is just interest to the loans they have received. Cipla has posted their numbers today. Let us discuss them. Their revenue came at 6,678 crores. It increased by 14.6% in year-on-year comparison. Their EBIT margin came at 25.9% and their net profit increased by 43% in year-on-year comparison to 1,113 crores. This is the highest ever revenue posted by Cipla in a single quarter. Even their EBIT margins came above market expectations. Overall, Cipla results are above market expectations. Now let's talk about Maruti Suzuki numbers. On screen, you can look at their numbers in comparison with with same quarter in previous year. In every segment, they have shown very exceptional growth. Sales volume increased by 6.7% in this quarter. Their sales volume is at 5,52,000 units. It registered highest ever sales volume by Maruti Suzuki in a single quarter. Even their PAT, profit after tax, also recorded highest ever profit. Their domestic and export sales have also increased by 6.3% and 9.7% respectively. They are holding 23.3% market share in SUV segment. Now they are the market leader in SUV. The reasons for improvement in numbers updated by management is due to reducing commodity prices like copper, steel and even some semiconductor prices, improved capacity utilization and cost reduction in every segment. Maruti results are above market expectations. So friends, this is today's news video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any feedbacks, please do provide in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel if you like the content.